in the blockchain world recognized that it's not going to happen if we don't work together. The idea is actually that people start collaborating on the blockchain.
Blockchain will only work when you collaborate, so it isn't helpful to just use it within your company. It's really a technology to collaborate and share information.
It doesn't matter whether you are a corporate that is competing with another corporate, everybody reaches a new level of efficiency when participating.
It is like the beginning of the internet. We're all pioneers here. We need to share knowledge to make it happen. And if we make it happen and if we share, and I'm sure blockchain will be very successful.
For us, I think it's very important to extend our cooperation beyond.
We're always searching for new innovative technologies to create growth for our economy.
Blockchains themselves are going to be the rails of civilization in 20 or 30 years. Everything is going to run at a blockchain foundation, in my view.